Hello everyone, my name is Adil Abbas and in this video we are going to talk about a step-by-step guide to performing keyword research for SEO. We will also discuss how important it is to research a proper keyword to publish content on your website. So let us start today's tutorial. The importance of keyword research in SEO and how it can help you to understand your audience and target the right keyword. Basically, keyword research is very important to SEO industry, because if you don't know what your potential audience is searching for, how can you direct these users to your website? And if you are not doing so, your blog won't be earning. So from SEO perspective, it is very important that you understand your audience, and then target the right keywords. For example, if you have a basically e-commerce store and you are writing articles about health benefits, any on health niche, so it is not possible to bring and basically convert. Equally important to write research the keyword that are targeted. For example, if you have e-commerce store and you are writing targeting the keywords on health topics, so this is not possible for you to rank. In case if you rank your site but you won't be converting, you won't be earning some revenue, because these are not your targeted customers. So if you run an e-commerce store, you need to target transactional keywords where they will be searching for a product that is listed on your e-commerce store, and definitely then you will get some revenue. So keyword research is the very important part in SEO, and that definitely it can help us to understand our audience, our potential audience, what actually it is searching for. Is it in research phase, or it is in buying phase or decision making phase? Now, how can we basically research our keywords? There are so many tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Href, and then keyword, similar keyword. These are the extensions basically to search the keywords. So there are so many extensions and keyword research tool in the industry that you can use for keyword researching. Even if you can't afford this tool, you can simply use Google Keyword Planner. That is free tool. Even there are so many tools that offers basically 3 to 7 day trial. You can use these days to basically complete your keyword research. Similarly, you can use Google Auto Suggest. This is also another important feature that you can use, and we will be explaining all these methods of keyword research in detail in separate videos. So you can use all these tools for keyword research. Okay, what makes a keyword the best one? It must be relevant to your niche. It must have decent number of searches per month. Even the competition must be low. So the key consideration for choosing the right keywords are relevance. It must be relevant to your niche. If you are running a blog about pet niche, then the keyword must be relevant to your niche. It should offer like top 10 foods for pet dogs and top 10 foods for rabbits. Okay, if you are going for info related keyword, it must be like can rabbits eat tomatoes? Okay, these sort of keywords are relevant to your need. Now it is up to you. It is you to decide either this keyword is related to your niche or not. And the search volume is very important. If no one is searching for a keyword that comes in your mind, then definitely you don't need to write. There will be no benefit for you to write and publish the content on that particular keyword. It is another case that there are so many other variations of that keyword that you can use. But right now, if you are a beginner, your site is new, you just need to target low search volume keywords. Okay. because the competition is directly related to the search volume. If the search volume of a keyword is high, then the competition will also be high. It is another case if you find a keyword that is high volume and there is no competition. Probably there are no many working on that niche. It is another case. But usually we see that high volume keywords are basically high competitive. So you just need to target low volume keywords because not big giants are targeting these keywords in your blog. So you have so many opportunities to rank for these keywords. So these are the three important considerations for selecting the right keyword for your next article. Now we talk about the different types of keywords. There are two categories like short tail, okay, short tail and long tail. By short tail means if a keyword include 3 words. These are short tail keywords. These are considered short tail keywords, okay. And the search volume is definitely high. People don't want to write long queries until they have information related query, long query. If they have some numerical in mathematics or in chemistry or physics and subjective, basically educational content, informational content basically covers the long term queries. But short tail queries, basically these are considered up to 3 words and these are of high volume as well, okay. Other one are the long tail keyword. If a keyword has more than basically more than 3 words, so it is considered the long tail. Basically these keywords are very easy to rank for because almost 24% of searches are new in Google every month according to different reports I have studied. So you just need to target the long tail keywords if you want to rank, if you want to get some earlier result. So these are two type of basically keywords. For example, we take example like cooking rice, okay. It is a short tail keyword, okay. What about if we ask how to rice, okay. It is now somehow basically long tail keyword. If we add another word like how to cook rice using traditional oven, so it is a very long tail keyword that is basically people are asking these sort of questions every single moment around the globe. So you can target these keywords. Basically these are the two types of keywords. Next point is on the point when we have researched our keywords and we are writing an article. Now the question rise here is that how you can integrate these words in your article. Is it valid? You have researched a keyword, for example, you have types of fire pits. You can see in this image types of fire pits. What would it look like if you start stuffing your article with this keyword? You can see that this keyword has been used multiple times in this text, but you can see it is basically keyword stuffing. The same keyword is using again and again. So it is called keyword stuffing. You can't basically add these keywords multiple times. So it is always wise to use these keywords in your content focusing on NLP, natural language processing. So it must look natural that you have basically embedded, you have added this keyword naturally. Okay, so you just need to avoid keyword stuffing. This is basically not good for your website, overall your website. Now we talk about another basically topic. For example, you have started a website in 2022 and now it's 2023 when I'm recording this video. So you can't rely on the number of searches that you performed in 2022. The trend was different, so you can't rely on, basically you have to basically get in touch with keyword research on basically daily basis, I would say, because the stats are being changed, so you can't rely on those keyword that we researched 3 to 4 months ago. So just need to stay up to date on changes in the search landscape and identifying the new opportunities, because almost 24% of search queries are never performed on Google. This is according to Google's report. So you just need to basically rely on fresh keyword research data. Okay. And now at the end, we'll talk about some tips and best practices for conducting effective keyword research, including staying organized and using a variety of tools and resources. So my first tip for keyword research is that to use Google Keyword Planner, because it gives you basically fresh data. Other tools in the industry like Ahrefs, SEMrush, they almost show you the data 4 or 5 days old minimum. For example, it's 1st of January 2023. If I search a query in SEMrush, it will show us the data I think in December 25 that was crawled in 25 December, 26 December. So you just need to go for fresh data, especially when you are basically working on a website like job website or news website. You just need to stay up to date, and only Google Trends and Google Keyword Tools are very important, that can give you the latest data and latest number of number of searches per month. Then you can use, if you are going to perform keyword research in bulk, then you can use SEMrush, Ahrefs. These are recommended tools in the industry and very popular and very good tools. These are basically for keyword research in bulk. So you can basically apply some filters. You can find the categorize, organize the keywords on the basis of difficulty level, on the basis of search volume, on the basis of phrases, on the basis of number of words. There are so many options that we will be covering in the upcoming video. And the other technique is that you just need to be relevant to your niche. If you are not performing keyword research that is relevant to your niche, you can't bring the traffic to your blog. So always try to focus on relevancy. It is very important. Mostly the newbies, they just start a website and then they start publishing randomly. They just don't go for proper keyword research. So it is always wise, it is a good decision to focus on a relevant keyword research. Okay, what your audience is looking for. Okay, if your basically audience is looking for a keyword like computer science, then you just need to decide that the user is not clear. This is basically search intent. It is not clear what the specific topic about computer science the user is basically looking for. So in this case, you have to create a pillar page where you will be basically adding so much content related to computer science, like branches of computer science, scope of computer science, importance and application of computer science. So this way Google will rank your pages in Google. So these are some tips that I just gave you in this video. In the next videos we will be discussing all these keyword methods, all these tools discussed in this video in detail one by one. See you in the next video.